You want to avoid what I would call an all or nothing request. That's a yes or no answer.
Okay.
Jim, do you want to buy it?
No.
Yes. No. Oh, darn it. Right? Why not? What
Right.
can I do to get your business?
Sure.
We just took the DeLorean back to 1980s, right?
That's right.
What can I do to get your business? So I want to be able to ask you in a way where I'm not asking you to do anything,
Sure.
right? The way to do that is to, instead of asking you a yes or no question, an all or nothing request, to ask you a timing question.
Okay.
Okay. So if you're going to reject me, you're essentially, the only way you can reject me if I ask you a timing question is not right now, right? So how I rephrase that is, instead of saying, Jim, do you want to do blank? I'm just going to say, Jim, does it make sense to blank?
Okay.
By pivoting, do you want to buy this car? That's a yes, no question. Does it make sense to buy the car? Is a timing question. If you say no to does it make sense, you're essentially saying not right now.
Right.
Right?
Right.
By the way, parents, don't let your kids watch this, right? Because your kid's going to be like, hey, Dad, does it make sense to give me $20 because I'm going to the mall, right? So if I say to you, hey, Jim, let's just pick the single mom with the minivan. Does it make sense to purchase the vehicle? You can say yes or you can say no, right? If you say no, and I've asked you, does it make sense? I'm in a perfect position to say, here, you say no to me. Hey, Jim, does it make sense to purchase the vehicle?
No, not right now.
Got it. Got it. What's a good next step then?